Look at with me about question number 1, grade 5. How are you? Look at with me about this example. 2 and 3 over 5 plus 1 and 4 over 5. We have like denominator, then we can eat them. 2 plus 1 equal 3, and then write 5 in denominator. 3 plus 1, 3 plus 4 equals 7. And then you can sample this because 7 greater than 5. You can write 3 plus 7 over 5. And 7 over 5, we know 1 times 5 equal 5, and the remainder 2. Then 7 over 5, it will be 1 and 2 over 5. You can eat them. 3 plus 1 equal 4, and then write 2 over 5 behind it. And the result will be 4 and 2 over 5. Question number 2. 5 and 2 over 7 plus k equal 6 and 5 over 7. We can find the value of k by finding the difference between two numbers, 6 and 5 over 7, subtract by 5 and 2 over 7. 6 minus 5, it will be 1, and 5 minus 2 equal 3, and then write 7. The result will be 1 and 3 over 7. Okay. Next question. Number 3. 2 and 4 years. 2 and 4 years. Corresponding months. We can convert from years to months by product by 12. We know 2 years equal 24 months because 1 year equal 12 months. Then 2 years equal 24 months. Plus 4 years, 4 product by 12 because 1 year equal 12 months. Then sum of them 24 plus fourth of 24, fourth of 12, it will be 3. Okay, again 2 years equal 24 months, and 4 years equal 4 times 12 equal 3. Then you can add them. 24 plus 3, it will be 27. Or you can solve this example by another methods. Convert 2 and 1 over 4 from mixed number to improper. 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. And then 9 over 4 product by 12. To convert from year, 9 over 4 years times 12 to convert to months. 12 divided by 4 equal 3. 3 times 9 equal 27. Question number 4. 2 fractions, 3 and 2 over 3, 3 and 2 over 3, and 5 and 1 over 6. We can write like numerator here, 6 can divide it by 3, then 6 is the least common multiplication between two denominator. Then you can write 6 here, and 2 times 3 equals 6, 2 times 2 equals 4, and write 5 and 1 over 6. Okay, like denominator of what we have 3 and 4 over 6 and 5 over 6, it shows letter C. Letter C is the result. Number 5. 2 and 3 over 5 plus space equal 3 and 1 over 4. We can find this number by finding the difference between them. 3 and 1 over 4, subtract by 2 and 3 over 5. We can write the least common multiplication between two denominator. 5 times 4 equal 20. Okay. 4 times 5 equal 20, 1 times 5 equal 5. 4 times 5 equal 20, 3 times 4 equal 12. 5 subtract by 12, we can't do it, so you must borrow 1 from 3 here. It will be 2, and 1 it will be 20 over 20. 20 over 20 plus 5 over 20, it will be 25 over 20. Subtract by 2 and 12 over 20. 2 minus 2 equals 0. Then write 20 in denominator and 25 minus 12. 5 minus 2 equals 3, and 2 minus 1 equals 1. The result will be 13 over 20. 13 over 20, okay? Next question, number 6. 2 hours equal space minutes. To convert from hours to minutes, product by 60, because 1 hour equals 60 minutes. 2 times 60. Write 3 in numerator. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 1 equals 7 times 60. 60 divided by 3 equals 20. Write 0 and 2 times 7 equals 14. The result will be 140 minutes. 140 minutes. Next question, number 7. 17 over 3 is equivalent to what we can convert from improper to mixed number here. Write 3 in the numerator and 3 times 5 equals 15 and the remainder 2. The result will be 5 and 2 over 3. Letter D. Next question, number 1, complete. We have here 3.5 subtract by 3.5 subtract by 2 and 5 over 2 and 3 over 5. 3.5 subtract by 2 and 3 over 5. You can write 10 in the numerator. The least common multiplication between them, it will be 10. Okay. Understood? Write 3 here and 2 outside. 2 times 5 equals 10. 1 times 5, it will be 5. Understood? And then 2 times 5 equals 10. 2 times 3 equals 6. 5 minus 6, we can't do it. So you must borrow 1 from 3. It will be 2. And 1, it will be 10 over 10. Plus 5 over 10, it will be 15 over 10. Again, borrow 1 from 3, it will be 2, and 1 equal 10 over 10. 10 over 10 plus 5 over 10, it will be 15 over 10. Subtract by 2 and 6 over 10. 2 minus 2 here, it will be 0. And then write 10 in the numerator. 15 minus 6, it will be 9. The result will be 9 over 10. Next question, number 2. Number 2. J subtract by 1 and 3 over 4 equals 7 and 3 over 44. We can find the value of J here by add two numbers. J here we call it the median. To find the median, you must add subtrahend to the difference. Okay, you must add two numbers. Then J will be equal 7 and 3 over 44. This number plus 1 and 3 over 4. G equals 7 and 3 over 44 plus 4 times 11, it will be 44, and 3 times 11 equals 33. And then J equals 7 plus 1 equals 8, and write 44 in the numerator. 33 plus 3 equals 36. You can simplest this result here by divided by 2 numerator and numerator. Half of 36, it will be 18. Half of this number, it will be 18, and half of 44, it will be 2, and then you can divide it by 4 again. Then the least common multiplication between two numbers, we know 36 and 44 can divide it by 4. Then the height common factor between them equal 4. Then you can divide it by what? Divide it by 4, numerator and numerator, to find the simplest form about this fraction. Okay, right here with me. 8 and 36 divided by 4, it will be 9. 44 divided by 4 equal 11. The result will be 8 and 9 over 11. Understood? It's the result about question number 2. 8 and 9 over 11. Next question. Question number 3. It was 2. Okay, number 3. We have 7 and 2 over 5 plus 1 and 1 over 4 equal 8 plus 1 plus 1 over 4 minus space. We can find the number here by 8. We know 1 over 4 equal 1 over 1 and 1 over 4. We can cancel two numbers here with us. And the remainder here, 7 and 2 over 5, it will be equal 8 plus or minus, it was minus. Because we can cancel 1 and 4th by 1 and 4th. Then the remainder here, 8 minus space. We can find the number here, but find the difference between two numbers, right? 8, the greatest number, subtract by 7 and 2 over 5. And then 8 minus 7 and 2 over 5, we can borrow 1 from 8, it will be 7. And 1 equal 5 over 5, like denominator, right? 7 and 2 over 5. Find the difference between them, right? 5 in denominator, 5 minus 2 equal 3, and 7 minus 7 will be 0, then the result will be 3 over 5. It was question number 3. Now we will solve the question number 4. Question number 4, 9 and 1 over 4 subtract by space equal 3 and 3 over 4. We can find this number by finding the difference between two numbers. 9 and 1 over 4 subtract by 3 and 3 over 4. 1 minus 3 we can't do it, so you must borrow 1 from 9. 9 will be 8. And 1 will be 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4, it will be 5 over 4. Subtract by 3 and 3 over 4. 8 minus 3, it will be 5. 5 minus 3 equal 2, and write 4 in the numerator. 2 divided by 2 equal 1. 4 divided by 2 equal 2. The result will be 5 and a half. Next question. Number 5. Half year equal space months. We know 1 year equal 12 months. Then you can convert from year to month. Half of 12, it will be 6 months. We know 1 year equal 12 months. Then half of 12, it will be 6. The result will be 6 months. Next example. Number 6. 150 second equal pace minutes. We can convert from second to minutes by divided by 60, because 1 minute equals 60 seconds. To convert from second to minutes, divided by 60. Cancel 0 by 0, divided by 10 numerator and denominator, and then you can sample it. 15 and 6 divided by 3. 15 divided by 3, it will be 5, and 6 divided by 3 equal 2. 5 over 2, you can sample it. It will be 2.5. 2.5 minutes. Then 150 seconds equal 2.5 minutes. Question number 7. X plus 5 and 1 over 2 equals 7 and 3 over 4. Then x will be equals the difference between two numbers, 7 and 3 over 4. Subtract by 5 and 1 over 2. We can write the least common multiplication between them will be 4. 2 times 2 equal 4, 2 times 1 equal 2. 7 minus 5, it will be 2, and the right 4 in the numerator. 3 minus 2 equal 1, then the result here 2 and 4, the value of x. Next question. Question 8. 2 and 3 over 7 as an improper fraction, right? 7. 2 times 7 equal 14. 14 plus 3 equals 17. The result will be 17 over 7. We convert here to improper fractions. Now we will solve question number 3. Choose the correct answer. Number 1. 1 and 5 over 8 plus 2 and 7 over 12 plus 1 over 4. We have 3 fractions. We can write the least common multiplication between 4 and 12. It will be 12, but 12 can be divided by 8. Then we must add 12 again. 12 plus 12 equal 24. Then the least common multiplication between them equal what? Equal 24. Right, 24 here. Four times 6 equal 24. 1 times 6 equals 6. 2 times 12 equal 24. 2 times 7 equal 14. 3 times 8 equal 24, and 3 times 5 will be 15. And then 2 plus 1 will be 3. And write 24 in the numerator. 15 plus 14 plus 6. 60 plus 14 equal 20. 20 plus 15, it will be 35. And then 35 and 20, it's greater than this number. Then you must simplify this fraction. Write 3 plus 35 over 24. Okay, right here, the simplest about this example, we have 4 and 11 over 24. Okay, choose letter D. How? Because 35 divided by 24, we can write 1 here and find the difference between them. It will be 11. And then you can add 1 plus 3 here, 4. 4 and 11 over 24. 4 and 11 over 24. Okay. It was question number 1. Question number 2. 2 and 4 over 5 plus 1 and 3 over 10. Subtract by 1 and half. 5 and 10 and 2. Height common factor. Between them it will be 1. And 10 can be divided by 5 and 2. Then 10 is the least common multiplication. You can write 10 here. And 10 here. 10 here. 2 times 5 equal 10. 2 times 4 equal 8. And write 3 over 10. 2 times 5 equal 10. 1 times 5 equal 5. 2 plus 1, we can add them here. 2 plus 1 equal 3, and write 10. 8 plus 3 equal 11. Subtract by 1 and 5 over 10. 3 minus 1 equal 2, and then write 10. 11 minus 5, it will be 6. And then you can simplify this fraction by dividing by 2 numerator and denominator. 6 divided by 2 equal 3, and 10 divided by 2 equal 5. Then the result will be 2 and 3 over 5. Letter D. About question 2. Question 3. 4 and 3 over 5. Not equivalent space. Not equivalent what? What about letter A? Look at letter A. 8 and 6 over 10. You can simplify it. Write 8 here. And divided by 2 numerator and denominator, it will be C over 5. Not equal this number, then you must choose letter E, because this number, it will be not equivalent this fractions. Question number 4. If 3 and 2 over 3 subtract by P equal 1, we want to find the value of B here. To find the subtrahend, you must find the difference between 1 and 3 and 2 over 3. Right, P equal 1 here. We will write the greatest number. Okay, the greatest number here 3, and 2 over 3 subtract by 1. Then the value of B equal the difference between 3 and 2 over 3 minus 1. B equal, we can find the difference. 1 subtract from 3, it will be 2, and the result 2 over 3 here. Mixed number 2 and 2 over 3. Choose letter B about question number 4. Question number 5. The fraction 2 and 4 by regrouping, we can write here 2 and fourth, look at 1, choose letter B, okay? Question number 5, look at letter B here. We have 1 and 5 over 4. How will grouping? Grouping, it's meaning 1, write 1 here, plus 1 over 4. And 1 here, plus 1 to be 4 over 4, plus 1 over 4. And then you can write 1 and 4 plus 1 equal 5 and over 4. The result will be 1 and 5 over 4. Or without using this method, you can choose letter A or B or C by write convert from each of one of them to improver. You can write here another solution. You can write 2 and 1 over 4 equal, write 4 in the numerator, 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. And this number will be choose letter A or B or C or D. Look at letter A, we have 2 and 5 over 4, write 4 in the numerator, 2 times 4 equal 8, 8 plus 5 equals 13. It's wrong. We won't write 9 over 4. Or look at letter B, 1 and 5 over 4, write 4 in the numerator, 1 times 4 equal 4. Okay, 1 plus 4 equal 4, 4 plus 5 equal 9, then it's exactly the result. So you must choose letter P about this example by using any method as you like, but it's a very easy method to convert from improver and explain where the result exactly 9 over 4. Okay, question number 6. 4 and 5 over 6 subtracted by 2 and 1 over 12. 2 times 6 equal 12, 2 times 5 equal 10. 4 minus 2 equal 2, and write 12 here, 10 minus 1 it will be 9. 9 divided by 3 equal 3, 12 divided by 3 equal 4, then the result will be 2 and 3 over 4. Question 7. Question number 7, okay, 5 and 1 over 4 subtract by space equals 3 and half. We can find this number by finding the difference between two numbers here. 5 and 1 over 4 subtract by 3 and half. Write the least common multiplication between two fractions of 4. 2 times 2 equal 4 and 2 times 1 equal 2 because 4 can divide it by 2. But 1 minus 2 we can't do it, so you must borrow 1 from 5 here, it will be 4. And 8, 1 plus 4, it will be 5. Okay, because 5 equal 4 plus 1 and 1 equal 4 over 4 plus 1 over 4, it will be 5 over 4. Okay, and then you can find the difference between them. 4 minus 3 equal 1 and 5 minus 2 equal 3, and then write from the numerator the result will be 1 and 3 over 4. Next example, question number 4. Answer the following. Marwan studied maths for 2.5 hours and science for 90 minutes. How many hours did Marwan stay in a row? We can eat them, but you must convert first step from minutes to hours. We know 90 minutes equal what? We can convert a few minutes to hours by divided by 60. First step about this question, we know 9 minutes equal, it was 90 minutes equal what? Question number 1 again, 90 minutes 2 hours divided by 60. Cancel 0 by 0 divided by 10, and 9 over 6. You can simplify it by divided by what? By divided by 3, it will be 3. 6 divided by 3 equal 2, it will be 3 over 2 hours. Okay, then you can find the sum of 2 hours here. He studied the 2.5 hours, and 3 over 2, it will be 1.5. You can simplify from over to mixed number. Then the total minutes or the total time, okay, total hour or total time, it will be equal sum of them. First, he studied 2.5 hours, 2.5 hours in mathematics and 1.5 hours in science, and then we can eat them. 2 plus 1 equal 3, and half plus half, it will be 1 plus 3 equal 4, then the result will be 4 hours. The total hours will be 4 hours. Next question, number 2. سامح ate 1.3 kilogram of fruits. Basim ate 1.5 kilogram more than Samih, and Wael ate half kilogram less than Samih. How many kilogram of fruits did the three fractions together? Okay, first we must know what Basim ate. Okay, pay attention. He tell us Basim ate what? Samih ate 1.3 kilogram of fruits, and Basim ate 50 kilogram more than Samih. He must eat fifths to 1.3 to know how many kilograms Basim ate. Okay, we can write Basim ate equal what? 1.3 plus 1/5. We can write 20. Let's do multiplication between two fractions, and 5 times 3 equal 15, and 4 times 1 equal 4, and then you can add them. Write 1 and write 20 in denominator. 15 minus 4, it will be 19. Then he ate 1 and 19/20 kilogram. And what about Wael? Wael ate half kilogram less than Samih. Okay, we can write Wael ate equal Samih 1/3/4, subtract half from it. We can write 1 subtract by 2 times 2 equal 4, and 2 times 1 equal 2. And then find the difference between them. Write 1, and 3 minus 2 equal 1. Write 4 in the numerator. And then we can write they eat together. First, what Samih ate 1/3/4. Okay, 1/3/4 plus what Basim ate 1 and 19/20, and Wael ate 1 and 1/4. You can write the least common multiplication between three fractions here, 20. 3 times 5 equal 15, because 4 times 5 equal 20. And then write 1 and 19/20. Write 20. 4 times 5 equal 20. 1 times 5 equal 5. Write 20 in numerator. Okay. Understood steps? Complete with me, my students. We can write 20 in numerator here. Okay, and 1 plus 1 plus 1 will be 3. 15 plus 5, 20. 20 plus 19 equals 39. And then you can simplify it. 39 divided by 20, we can convert this to proper fraction to mixed number. We know 3 plus 39/20. We can write what? Write 20 here, and write 1 times 20 equal 20, and remember what? 39 subtract by 20. We can find the difference between two numbers. Write 1 here and find the difference. It will be 19. And then 3 plus 1 equal 4. 4 and 19/20. You must add them. We can add 3 plus 1 equal 4, and then write 19/20 kilogram is the total. Understood? Next question, number 3. Here, question number 3. Use an area model to add. We must add them. We have 2 and 3/5 plus 1/2. How we can solve it? First, we have 2 parts colored. We must color 2 parts here. And 3/5 divided this rectangle to equality 5 parts. And you can color 3 parts. Okay, plus 1.5 colored one part and half of it, and then you can eat them. We have 3 parts, and here half plus this fraction. We can divide it this part like this part. 2 times 5 equal 10. Then the least common multiplication between them equal 10. We can divide this 5 parts here to 10 parts by dividing this and this. And you can count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Count with me. We have here 3 parts. 3 times 2 equals 6. And here 2 times 2, it will be 4. Okay, we have here half of 10. Okay, we can divide this part to 10 parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. We have 11 parts. Again, we have here how many parts? 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's half of 10. It's 5. We must color 5 parts. Because we have 10 parts, half of 10, it will be 5 parts. And we have 6 of 10, 6 plus 5 equal 11. Then we can write 11 over 10. And then you can simplify it. 11 over 10, it will be 1 and remainder 1. 1 plus 3, it will be 4. The result will be 4 and 1 over 10. Question number 4. Use number line to find the difference. We have 9 and third subtracted by 7.5. Okay, we can draw number line here, beginning here 9 and third. Here 9 here. We have subtracted by 7.5. Okay, we can start here 9 third subtracted by 7.5. We can write the least common multiplication between them 6. 3 times 1 equal 3, 2 times 1 equal 2, but 2 minus 3 we can't do it, so you must borrow 1 here from 9. Okay, 9 will be 8, and 1 equals 6 over 6 plus 2 over 6, it will be 8 over 6. Subtract by 7 and 3 over 6. 8 minus 7 equal 1, and 8 minus 3 will be 5, and then write 6 in the numerator. The result will be 1 and 5 over 6. By using here from 7, we have 7, 8 and 9. 7, between 7 and 8, draw here, and we can write 8 to 9, 8 plus 1 equal 9, and we have half distance between 7 and 8, so half. And we can going here to third, and then you can add 1 plus half plus third. 1 plus half plus third. Okay, you can use this number line to find the result without using least common multiplication. We can add them here. 1 here, and 2 times 3 equals 6, 3 times 1 equals 3, 2 times 1 equals 2. The result will be 1 and 5 over 6. It's exactly the result.